forgot how to play basketball. I don't know what we were doing. We had 7 turnovers in the quarter. Like 5 possessions in a row, we threw the ball away. I don't know what we were doing. Mind-boggling. But yeah, we choked, we collapsed. We sucked tonight.
Coach, not the way you want to start the second round, no? So,
Definitely. You know, we needed this game. I mean, no disrespect to Blackwater, but we really needed this game. Now we're gonna have to earn it the hard way. We have 4 teams, yung mga perennial playoff contenders and yung mga kalaban namin. Obviously, it's gonna be tough for us, but no excuse. Blackwater played well. They made the right adjustments. We didn't have answers. We couldn't score. I don't know what we were doing in the fourth quarter, because it looked like we were pretty much in control for close to the three quarters.
Coach, medyo dikitan yung sa ilalim nyo eh, na parang the jacking for position and lang coach mo sa race, and how crucial is the next few games for you in relation to those
Well,
teams?
I'd like to think we need to win at least 2 games to have a chance to make the playoffs. Obviously, you know, Meralco, they're struggling. They've had a lot of guys out and sick, but we know they're gonna figure it out eventually. So we just have to worry about ourselves. Now we have to go off an upset again. We're underdogs but in every game, but you know, today we just didn't play smart basketball. It's really frustrating. So you know, I don't know. I don't really have too much words right now. I think he just had a little gash on his knee. He's fine. Nothing major. So yeah, it was nice. I'd love to have him on the bench, not behind us in the bench. But it is what it is. Hopefully, one day I'll get the chance to coach Matt again here in the PBA. But yeah, it's a big boost. He still closed a lot of guys in the first. But I mean, he's going back to Japan. Tingnan natin after. Sana makabalik siya sa amin sa Philippines.
Coach, you play rain or shine on Sunday. They beat you in the first round. A big game, obviously.
Yeah, we need to find a way to win, to be physical, to stop Fuller because they bullied us, they manhandled us. I mean, Blackwater also bullied us. So, sana pumalag kami at hindi kami maging malambot. So, you know, we want to change our mindset. We just have to be tougher, especially against a tough physical team like this.